Jatatiye ka duol mar governors ma pacho ka Mary Mwiti sani dwaro ni mondo counties duto ne jotiye ne ochule payroll monywando nonrogi duto. Mwiti nowacho ni chik ok oyie mondo mi ochul jotich nyaluo ma bende en yo ma pod itiyo godo moko. Nowacho ni janon buge osebedo kaka mokalo koluwo payroll ma kamago michwalo gi sirikal ma counties kamano bende kelo deko ne chudo mag jotich. Noloso romo mar 4 manokelo kanyakla jochung' mago amochung' ne ndiko ji e tije kata human resource officers kaachiel kod jogo ma loso oboke manigi nonro mag osara kata payroll managers.
I want to speak about the wage bill. I was part of the steering committee that was charged with the responsibility of organizing the wage bill, and I want to confirm that it was one of the biggest successes. The wage bill, in terms of the action, the Council of Governors as an action and the counties on what needs to be done so that we bring down the wage bill. And the reason as well we convened this is to pass the resolution of the wage bill to the people that are seated here who will be charged with the responsibility of implementing the same. I do not want to water down the discussions, but I believe we had actually 4 resolutions that were directly for the counties, and those other resolutions have actually a link with the county governments. And that's why there has to be a clarity in terms of understanding of what needs to be done so that we can partake of the same. But in doing the same, Excellency, we brought up the issue that county governments are still growing and there has to be room for advancement in terms of equity, in terms of the skills that are required. And for that reason, I think this will be a discussion that will find its way into this meeting to see how, as we balance this, because it's a delicate balance, then how do we not jeopardize the operations of the counties.
We want to confirm in our county, when we came in, we found about 1,200 casuals who are being paid outside payroll. But over the last few months, we fought, we did our best, together with the support by the CEC, Public Service, together with HR. We are now at zero.
Doho mar apil moyiedhi opang mar gero boma ma Eldoret bang' tieko goyo kogno jong'ad buche mag doho ma kamano